A Babylon a building in weapons of war. Babylon a building in weapons of war.
Yo, I and I must always remember the farmer man them, you know. It's them man there turn up the man and deal with the production. It's them man there style up the land and make we get all food for nyam. So catch this one from the Rasta man. Yeah, tell them a tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. A tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. Come me say, hey Mr. Farmer, beg you sell me some yam couple, bunch of banana, sweet potato and plantain, some dashing, some cocoa, some breadfruit, yeah man, some tomato, some pepper, scallion and onion, some beetroot, some carrot and sweet sour sap. Say go on Mr. Farmer man, now you them couldn't stop me. Say tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. And this a tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. Cause me say me know a lot of farmers, say me and them a friend, you know. Many of them a farm from a way back when, you know. Raise all them cattle and them goat in a pen, you know. Every morning them go trot the mountain, you know. To farm up the land is them occupation, you know. Tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. And this a tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. Certain food we couldn't eat. When them come a market, whether expensive or cheap, buy out them food, me say buy it whole heap. Them have to work hard for make two ends meet. Sacrifice themselves for make them family eat. Hear the Rasta man conscious lyrics man a speak. Me say tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. And this a tribute to the farmer man them. We sing a tribute to the farmer man them. Farmer, beg you sell me some yam couple, bunch of banana, sweet potato and plantain, some dashing, some cocoa, some breadfruits, yeah man, some tomato, some pepper, scallion and onion, some beetroot, some carrot, say yes and sour sap. Say go on Mr. Farmer man, and you them couldn't stop me. Say tribute to the farmer man them.